How to fix a black screen on an Android phone. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix a black screen on an Android phone. If your Android phone screen goes black and won't turn on or respond, then here are several effective steps you can try to resolve the issue. First of all, you will need to press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 20 seconds. This will force the phone to reboot and can fix minor software glitches that cause black screen. Also, you will need to charge your phone properly. Connect your phone to a charger using a non-working cable and an adapter. Charge it for at least 15 to 30 minutes to ensure the battery has enough power. Also check the charging port for dust and clean it gently if needed. You can also try different charger if available. Sometimes cases or stock buttons can interfere with the phone. Remove any cases and ensure buttons are not stocked or damaged. Also, for the phones with removable batteries, take it out and wait for a few seconds and then insert it again. After that, power on the device. If your phone is on but the screen remains black or unstable, then you can try booting into safe mode to check if any third-party app is causing the issue. This method is different depending on the device, but usually it involves holding the power button and then long pressing power off until the safe mode option appears. Simply hold the power button and then long press on this power button until safe mode option appears. This will help you to solve the issue. So by following one of these steps, you should be able to diagnose and fix a black screen on an Android device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.